Hey everyone, I wanted to take a quick video just to show you how easy it is to learn the Crorzar cameras into the app and get them set up and going. First thing you're going to want to do is find the reset button. You're going to hold it down for about 10 seconds to put it back into restoring the factory settings mode. You're going to hear a couple of voice prompts
Restore factory settings. Please don't.
Along the way. You'll hear that one.
Wait to be configured.
And then as soon as you hear that wait to be configured one, that's your cue that it's ready to go. So you'll go into the app, you'll hit the plus sign, set up device using Wi-Fi, come down here to the bottom, next step. Here's where you will enter the Wi-Fi network information, and from there you go and it automatically generates a QR code for you, and all you do is you hold that QR code in front of the camera for a few seconds. It's going to give you that
Connect to router successfully.
That connecting prompt. Hold it there and let it finish, and then all you'll do, give it a password. And then the next step, you'll give it a name, and your camera's good to go. And just like that, you have successfully learned this new video doorbell into the app. You're able to look around and see exactly what's going on.